to Theme Park Worldwide, where we're here at Drayton Manor Resort on the back row of Gold Rush, their new roller coaster for 2024.
So excited.
So we're making our way out of the station, about to make our way up the lift hill. What's quite funny is we're the first ever people to film a rider cam on here as well.
Oh, it's so exciting.
Beautiful day for it, the sun is shining, and of course this new coaster from Intamin has got two settings. One where you go forwards first, and one where you go backwards. And we're starting off forwards, let's go! Hey. Whoa! Woo! So twisty this track. Woo! Is the airtime hill? Whee! I think all the twists and turns builds up quite a bit of speed. Oh! What's going on here?
Get out while you can!
We've got to get out whilst we can. Oh, the smoke and everything! Woo! That's got some kick! Woo! Gosh, don't twist and turns! You don't know where you're going, it's quite fast. Back up the lift hill. This time we're going up it backwards. Oh, the view is amazing. Come on here. Come to a bit of a stop, and obviously we're going to go through that same section that we just did backwards. Forwards! Whoa! Woo! Hey! Woo! Back through the launch. Gonna get a bit of a boost. Woo! Hey! Woo! It's such a long ride as well. Whoa, there we go, Gold Rush here at Drayton Manor. What an excellent family coaster.
I enjoyed that so much. It's so much fun.
It is, it's just such a great ride. Like, it's long, the theming's awesome, and of course we'll have a full vlog featuring our review, some off-ride footage, and so much more coming up here on the channel as well. So stay tuned for that. But thanks so much for joining us for a ride on here, and of course thank you to Drayton Manor for allowing us to take you all on for a rider cam POV. We'll see you in the next video about Gold Rush, and that leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. Goodbye.